A good day to all. Welcome to ATL Marathon 2023-24. I'm Sohan RK and here are my teammates Vedant S and Likit Kumar. We are from Class 8 XL Public School.
We worked on a problem statement, design toys and games that will help children 2 to 12 years learn better in an interactive and fun way, under the theme of education and skill development.
We designed and developed a game on algebra concept using activities from different subjects and real-life applications. This game helps students of grade 6, 7th and above to understand basic algebra concepts easily. The game box is equipped with a circuit to check the answers given by the players.
Students find mathematics is one of the most difficult subjects. Algebra seems to be the most difficult of all branches as it deals with abstract concepts.
We also found in a survey that many students like to learn algebra by playing games, doing hands-on activities related to real-life application.
So we chose to develop a game, XXplorers, designed to learn basic algebra concepts using activities from different subjects and real-life applications. This game can be played individually or in a group. All the materials are packed in a box and circuit is installed to check the answers given by the players. Along with these, activity cards are given to explain how to do the activities at each level.
The game has 2 levels. Each level has 5 activities. At this level, students are given 5 activities which are designed based on concepts from different subjects. First, players go through the definition cards before they start the activities. Players complete each activity with the help of activity and the materials.
After completion of each activity, the player has to identify the variables and constants and write them on the instruction sheet. Once the level is completed, the player can check his or her answers from the circuit by selecting the level 1 switch. The next button can be used to check answers in each activity. Buttons that are labeled as variables and constants can be used to select the correct answer.
When a correct answer is selected, a green LED will glow and an audio "you got it right" will be played. For every wrong answer, a red LED will glow and an audio "try again" will be played. After checking all the answers, the level 1 switch can be turned off. The number of correct and incorrect answers will be displayed on the LCD screen. Then the player can move to level 2.
Players understand the concepts of variables and constants through their observations. In level 2, players need to identify independent variables and dependent variables by doing different activities and check the answers using the inbuilt circuit. Through this game, students learn the basic concepts of algebra in a more fun and interesting way. This makes them develop an interest in algebra and removes the fear of learning algebra.
Our solution is innovative and different from the existing games on algebra as it provides opportunities for students to try, explore, and observe. Based on their observation and understanding from the activities, they learn the concept.
We thank ATL and our school for providing this opportunity.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.